respected dignitaries and children, good evening all. I am Aharun, working as project coordinator in LSN Foundation. Professionally, I am social worker. I happen to become social worker and working for the society through this wonderful organization. And I'm very happy to be part of LSN Foundation. It's been 2 years for me working in LSN Foundation. After my education, I came to LSN Foundation. This is my first step as a professional. They've trusted me and they've given 2 prestigious projects called Elderly Project, Old Age Home, and PWD Project, Person with Disability as well. They have given me these projects like handling internship programs and such major activities what LSN Foundation does periodically. Does help me a lot to grow up as a professional, and I take privilege to thank LSNF management for giving me such a wonderful opportunity. I'm working for this old age home right now. You can see the people, residents are with me. Right now the strength of old age home is 15 at Srirangavaram village. It's located nearby Medchil and the village called Srirangavaram. When I say old age home, I extend my sincere gratitude to Ms. Sunita and her family for giving such a wonderful house to run the old age home and establish the old age home. Though it is leased between LSN Foundation and Sunita's family. And recently we have got some grant released by LPG India. I also thank them for releasing that grant. With that grant, we have enhanced the infrastructure and more facilities for the old age home. This is very good news. Happened during these 4 years. And I also take care about person with disability training programs. When we started this person with disability program in 2010, it was an idea of doing this person with disability program as a post follow-up of Abilities Mela. When I say Abilities Mela, you all know that Abilities Mela is a grand event that LSN Foundation does every year with the collaboration of many organization partners. And it also does some good work in the society by providing and giving such a good platform for PWD, person with disability friends to meet corporate officers and fulfill their basic needs. And this person with disability program in the year of 2010, we have started with the batch stage of 12 members. All the students were mobilized and screened by different districts such as Mahbub Nagar, Vikarabad, and Hayat Nagar. They all were given training in one of the best institutes in Hyderabad, that is IHM, Institute of Hotel Management, and they've got through the placement. That is very happy moment. LSN could able to place 80% of students. That 2010 year, 2010 to 11. That the training was happened in hospitality sector, and after that we moved into manufacture sector. Manufacture sector, we have again taken some 8 or 10 group members, 8 members, and we have given training with the collaboration of CPDL, the first program also with the collaboration with CPDL. CPDL is Center for PWD Livelihoods, and this program also done with same collaboration CPDL and the association of White Turbo Private Limited. White Turbo Private Limited is a German-based company which deals about couplings and all power-based related things. So they have given nice platform and training center for the students who cannot see that kind of training centers because they are from village background students and they have come up from so far distance. And they have got through the training. It's the duration of 3 months, and after the training, PWD, after this manufacture sector, we could able to place 50% of students again. So they are working, and all these students were screened and mobilized from different districts again, Vizag, Vijayawada, Vizianagaram. So the students also placed in their nearby places. That's a good news we got. Like Tirupati, some other student is working in Tirupati, some other person is working in Vijayawada, Vizag. And White itself observed one person named called Rama Rao with the help of famous consultancy. So these 2 batches we have done as a PWD program. I was involved in that program and I was associating for my program head. After that, right now we are also running another training program, person with disability. That is again in manufacture sector association with White Turbo Private Limited. I can say, like 2 programs right now with person with disability. One is in organized sector. As I say, organized sector. This manufacturer sector is unorganized sector.
I'm sorry, I just had 2 points here. I'm sorry, I'm not supposed to talk. I'm very sorry. Let me first thank Manjula Garu. You know, it's a great pleasure to work with her. I've been seeing her for the last 5 years, 4 years as external, for 5 months as internal. And so this one, I'm taking my third commission, CMC. Sorry. You know why I'm saying that, you know? It's a great, you know, for me it's a pleasure to say that I'm working with them. So I see many small NGOs do not, you know, give freedom to the employees. Trust me. Manjula, I was just saying sometime back, you know, she never, you know, ever giving, you know, planning, you know, she always tried to give us freedom. I'm seeing other week, you know, I've been seeing. So it was, you know, it was more pleasure, more happiness for us. It also gave us more scope to work. So Manjula, I'm very thankful to you. Because when I'm saying thanks for again, you know, it's a very rare, you know, we see small NGOs giving permission or giving authorities or the freedom to staff to work. I'm really happy to say this, Manjula, because you long life. Thank you very much. On behalf of trustees, on behalf of everybody, I thank Manjula once again. Come back to what the other one saying. What in fact was just saying, you know, Manjula was saying, you know, she was trying to acknowledge me. Remember, Manjula, I am here today because of you or one. Nothing can be done by us. I never believe in that. Whatever we are doing today, the credit goes to you. Other one was Kiran and Pushpa. But many credit goes to other one. He's been doing great work. He's very sweet. Thank you very much, Alan. I'll come back to this year program. We have done 2. In fact, we are doing 2 major projects. One is unorganized sector, wherein this company called OH Industry in Acharam, they try to impart skills.
I have to say this, we have prepared a schedule for VR Srinivas Garu, but he just informed us that he fallen sick, he can't talk. But he came and I'm glad that he came forward and he spoke everything because we are working for the cause. Thank you so much, VR Garu. And I have to talk about old age home because I'm here because of old age home and you know, I also part of PWD's Person with Disability program. Okay, that's fine. Old age home, we have activities of old age home. Old age home, we do this accessing government schemes and policies for the elderly people. In the process of that, we actually done this Aadhaar cards for the elderly people, and we also have this enrollment and registration for them. As soon as we get that voter ID cards, we also work on old elderly pensions. Their daily routine work is like, you know, they read newspaper and they also participate sometime in yoga, and they involve in community meetings such as you know, awareness about the elderly people, and we make sure their health by conducting medical camps every month, and also putting up a permanent doctor, the private doctor nearby that village to make sure their health is fine. So I have with me 4 elders, and they are going to talk their case study. Jacob na daggara unnaru. Jacob Chudleru, so he is also one of the residents. He will talk about old age home activities and his case study.
నేను బ్లైండ్ ఈ శ్రీరంగవరంలో ఓల్డ్ ఏజ్ హోమ్లో ఉంటున్నాను. ఆ ఓల్డ్ ఏజ్ హోమ్ నుండి నేను బైబిల్ చదవడం, ప్రేయర్ చదవచ్చు. ఉదయం నుంచి బైబిల్ చదువుకుంటాను, ప్రార్థన చేసుకుంటా. మా హోమ్లో 7 మగవాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు, 4 ఆడవాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు. అందరూ కూడా నన్ను బ్లైండ్ అని ఫీల్ చేయకుండా వాళ్ళతో సమానంగా చూసుకుంటారు. మా వర్కర్స్ కానీ ఎవరైనా సరే నాతో పాటు చూసుకుంటారు. నేను కూడా వాళ్ళతో కలిసి ఉంటాను. ఉంటున్నాను. నాకు ఈ శివరానం విలేజ్ అండి మాది. నా భార్య కూడా బ్లైండ్, ఆమె కూడా గవర్నమెంట్ హాస్పిటల్లో ఉంటుంది. అంటే మాకు కుమారుడు ఉన్నాడు, కానీ వాడికి ఇంట్లో దొరకదు. అందుకని నేను ఈ హోమ్లోకి వచ్చాను. ఈ హోమ్లో బాగానే ఉంటుంది, నా ఆరోగ్యం కూడా బాగుంటుంది. ఈ మధ్యలో నాకు బాగా రాకపోతే ఒక రాత్రికాల అంబులెన్స్ పిలిపించి గాంధీ హాస్పిటల్లో తీసుకెళ్లారు. బాబురావు గారును మా వర్కర్ తీసుకెళ్లారు. నేను ట్రీట్మెంట్ చేయించారు. ఇప్పుడు బాగానే ఉంటుంది నా ఆరోగ్యం కూడా. నన్ను అందరూ బాగానే చూసుకుంటున్నారు. ఎందుకంటే ఈ తల్లిదండ్రులు లేని వారికి ఆడపిల్లకి మగపిల్లలకి కానీ కూడా మా సంస్థ వారు ఎన్నో సహాయం చేస్తున్నారు.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ అండి. మాకు ఇంకా టైం సరిపోదు, చాలా మంది మాట్లాడాలి, కానీ వీళ్ళు చాలా బాగా ఓల్డ్ ఏజ్ హోమ్లో ఇలా ఎప్పటికప్పుడు వాళ్ళు అందరితో కలిసి స్టోరీస్ చెప్పుకుంటూ స్టోరీ టెల్లింగ్ అవన్నీ చేస్తూ చాలా ఆనందంగా గడుపుతూ ఉంటారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ ద నైట్ పుష్ప.
I'd like to thank all the project coordinators and the children and residents for their sharing their views.